Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In the next few minutes, we'll be navigating through the complex world of maintenance standards for asset management and reliability. We'll explore why these standards are crucial and what it means for your organization to comply with them. You'll learn about key standards set by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, and SAE International. Plus, we'll peek into the nuances of standards such as ISO 55000, ISO 55001, ISO 55002, and SAE JA1011. So stick around to empower your maintenance and operations teams with this vital knowledge. Let's dive into the world of maintenance standards for asset management and reliability. These standards are crucial for asset managers to organize and improve maintenance efforts. They are set by the ISO and SAE International. Adherence to these standards is not only important for passing audits, but also for minimizing unplanned downtime, ensuring the safety of maintenance staff, and fostering a positive culture. Now let's take a closer look at some of these standards. First up, we have ISO 55000. To comply with this standard, your organization must have an asset management system in place. This system should establish the policies, objectives, and processes needed to achieve your organization's goals. Next, we have ISO 55001. This standard elaborates on the components of an asset management system that are listed in ISO 55000. These components include organizational context, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and improvement. Then there's ISO 55002. This standard provides the most significant details needed to achieve compliance with ISO 55000. Finally, we have SAE JA1011. This standard was initially developed by the commercial aviation industry to improve the safety and reliability of their equipment. Because of this, it's known as a reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM process. So there you have it. These standards are essential tools and resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Whether you're part of a maintenance team or an operations team, understanding and implementing these standards can significantly improve your organization's efficiency and reliability. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope you found this information useful and that it will help you in your journey towards better maintenance and reliability practices. Remember, these standards are not just guidelines, but tools to help your organization achieve its goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.